Sir, sir. Hey, sir, I'm sure I'm here for my area audition, sir.
Mr. Shah, you're already late. I cannot do anything about it now.
हाँ सर बस डिले हो गई थी सर बस डिले हो गई थी जस्ट 5 मिनट्स सर 5 मिनट्स
Fine, but just 5 minutes.
हाँ सर By the way, here's my portfolio.
Mr. Shah, right. Have you ever worked with any production house before?
Not yet, sir, but I do have prior experience. I have been in some films, short films before.
Yes, I can see that. But you know, Mr. Shah, working in short films ain't same as working under a production house. Have you ever auditioned before?
I have auditioned before, but not for such a such a big production house.
Never mind. Here's your script. You have 1 minute to go through it and you have to deliver your best according to the script. Am I clear?
Uh,
हाँ. Mr. Shah, you ready?
yes, sir.
All right. And action.
Shreya, how can you do this to me, Shreya? I never expected this from you, out of all people. And time, you talk about time.
Cut. What you doing, Mr. Shah? Come on, you can do better than this. This is a 20-30 second sequence and I'm not gonna waste more than that on it audition itself. Do better this time, please. I'm giving you one more chance. Or you can say, it's your last.
Yes, yes.
Cool. And action.
Shreya, how can you do this to me, Shreya? You and I never expected this from you. And time.
Alert. Mr. Shah, I didn't expect much from your portfolio though. But at least I was hoping for a good performance. Seems like you need more practice. You can leave now.
Sir, sir, 100% you will love my performance. Just one last chance, sir. One last chance.
Mr. Shah, you are not understanding the situation here. I'm not asking for any extraordinary performance. This is just a 20-30 second sequence, you know. Whole I'm asking just someone who can deliver the required performance in the minimum takes. And here you took the 2 retakes just for its audition itself. I don't have enough time, Mr. Shah. But I do have enough people who can do better than you. You can leave now.
Sir, just one last chance, sir. One.
Oh, Mr. Shah, don't dishearten yourself. This is not your first time anyways. By now, you must have gotten used to this thing. Please don't waste more of my time. Goodbye.
एंड एक्शन।
वक्त को जुनून की स्याही से रंगता जा रहा हूँ। मैं तो बस सपनों के इस बवंडर में हकीकते कर्ज में डूबा आवारा। दफ्तर में रखे पुराने कागज जैसे धूल खा रहा हूँ। मैं हर किसी को समय में और समय से भागता पा रहा हूँ। लगता हर कोई एक अदाकार है इस काल में। हम देखकर कैसे कहें फिर कौन है किस हाल में। अपनों को आशाओं से समझौता करते हुए अब नहीं देखना चाहता हूँ। मैं खुद को जिस काबिल समझता हूँ अब वही देखना चाहता हूँ। लेकिन आज घर लौट कर उन उम्मीद से भरे चेहरों से नजरें कैसे मिलाऊंगा। कल सब बेहतर हो जाएगा, उन्हें ये यकीन कैसे दिलाऊंगा। मैं अपने जुनून का शिकार हूँ। इस निराशा की रात में सफलता का जुगनू खोज रहा हूँ। अब अपनों का सहारा बनना है मुझे। मैं उम्र भर बस बोझ रहा हूँ। जब मेरी मेहनत आएगी सफलता के सवेरे लिए, तू समय तब ठहर जाना मेरे लिए।